Okay, now I teach you how to install the control software and the RIP software for our Focus GlassJet X UV printer. First, please find out USB flash that delivered by Focus Digital and insert to your computer. And we find out the USB flash named Focus GlassJet X support. And first we installed the control software. Open the control software and unzip the file and unzip the file, and you can find out the install folder. Click the install file and choose the language. English. First is English. Next is Chinese simplified. Choose English, confirm, and the computer will start to install. Just click Next, Custom, Next. And this is the install folder. And Next, Next. And waiting for the finish. Repair, next, finish. This is a USB device driver. The next, finish. Okay, so after the installation, you can find out the symbol named InkDream on your desk. Click. It will show you print not found because we are not power on the machine right now. So we click off. So this is the procedure for how to install the control software. Then we need to install the RIP software. The same, we open the USB flash and we find out the RIP software folder and click install. And here also let you choose the language. First is English and confirm. Next. Repair. Next. Finish. Finish. Okay, so the installation for RIP is finished. So after we installed the RIP software, go to the desk. We can see there's a symbol named Actual Print. So we click Open. So before let's say no software dongle detect, so we need to insert the dongle key for the RIP. Insert to your computer. This is not USB flash, but it is a dongle key. So this is nothing, no any file inside, just a key. So insert to your computer. So please do not lost this key. If you lost this key, you will cannot open the RIP software. Then we can open it. So first we need to do some setting for the RIP. First the file and print setup. And here must be sure this is the print head model SP600. So here must confirm this model is same as the print head model that you bought from us. And right click and check the property. And here must choose the resolution 720 to times 720, that's enough. And the color model, we choose CMYK LCLM. And the port file, here we choose the setup. And here the file name, we can buy custom. You can name the file PL file as you want. So here we choose the custom. And the color model, color auto, we choose KCMY LCLM PRN and OK. Just be sure this is the same as this setting and click OK. And keep like default and exit. So this setting for the RIP is finished. So this is a procedure to install the RIP software and control software. Thank you.